I think Mayor Kilala naman is taking all precautionary measures. So I trust in him naman that ayun nga, tumawag po nga siya kagabi na lockdown na daw kasi he wants to make sure na walang spread. So the mayors are doing their jobs naman, and I'm very grateful. Other thing I'd like to say lang is, if we can we please stress to all of our OFWs and Ilocanos abroad or outside of Ilocos to not come home. Diba? We do not want the problem of having our kailian at the border, diba, na we don't know what to do with them, diba? But yun nga, so sana after the EO naman was declared, nakita ng mga police na medyo wala nang pumapasok na Ilocano. But let's just remind everyone na please do not come home. We cannot guarantee your entry or admittance, diba? As much as we would like to, syempre everyone's very concerned about our health and safety here in Ilocos Norte and those that are already here. So, kumbaga gusto natin i-isolate or i-insulate yung province natin. So, please put out that announcement na I'm personally asking everyone from wherever, basta't hindi Ilocos Norte, even if you're Ilocano, please don't come home yet.
Okay, are there no more questions? No more? Thank you, Governor. If you still have additional announcement or pakiusap sa mga kababayan natin.
Wala naman specific. Just like to thank everyone, of course. Thank the frontliners, especially our police, especially our health personnel, everyone at MMMH. My deepest gratitude dun sa ginagawa nila at what they continue to do for our province. It's something that we do not take lightly, and we know that we owe so much to them in these very difficult times. And I think we've seen medyo gumanda na yung movement, diba? Not as many people are coming to Lawag Centro, for example. So I thank everyone, of course, for minimizing their movement. I know medyo naiinip na po tayong lahat, but this is the only way forward. No? This is the only beneficial path that we can take. No, we have no other options. So for now, let's stay home. Let's minimize our contact. Let's not travel too far, only when necessary. And to all of our kapitans as well, let's make sure that we cater to the needs of our people. No, so we've also asked that kagaya nung sa Pinili, di ba, yung nag-viral na delivery service, na ganun talaga dapat, di ba? Sa barangay level pa lang, i-cluster na yung mga needs ng barangay para kung kailangan pumunta ng Lawag o Batak, isang biyahe na lang, di ba? So, let's find ways to keep our people comfortable and to supply them with what they need, and so they don't need to go too far. So, yun lang. I just like to thank everyone, and rest assured that we're continuing to think about your welfare and your happiness. So, basta keep exercising and practicing healthy habits.